Welcome back to the Workbench of Low Imagination. And today we've got a Demon Slayer project. It's going to be Kanao's blade from, obviously, Demon Slayer. Now on this file, I am reusing one of HWC's or whatever. I'll put the link in the description to one of his blades. But I have taken and modeled a new guard for it, just because I like the overall look of it. But I did model this, and this model I will put in on my Maker World profile. Well, not profile, but on Maker World, so you can download it for yourself. But overall, this was the closest blade to it. I like his models, or their models. And yeah, so let me tilt the camera and actually show you the parts. So, obviously, like I said, I've got 2 parts for that. I've got 4 different parts for the blade, 4 different parts for the handle, 7 if you include these, the wrap, some blade connectors, the butt cap basically, the handle guard, Suba, and basically the next step is to glue all this together, well, in parts. So let's get to it. So after all of that funness, we have the handle, the blade, and the guard roughly done. So the next step would be to plastic weld. just like that, Kanao's, or whatever interpretation of the name or pronunciation is done. I think it overall came out well. There were a few parts here and there, but I don't know if you can honestly tell. But I could have done more like a pinkish shade for like the handle and blade, but I feel the red, can you see, does it look red?
Yeah.
I feel like the red is just cooler. Because you know, if it's pink, it would bang! But what I say never really matters. It's all about what the wife has to say. Now, will she go, oh God, it's terrible? Or like my father, who I recently did with the Highlander inspired build, will she be like, there can only be one? So, let's turn the camera around and see what she has to say.
More fire red truck, or fire truck red.
It's toolbox.
Oh yeah, more toolbox red. Oh, sorry, let me just...
You can't see it, but I am glaring daggers.
I like it. I say 9.8 out of 10.
So, if you enjoy projects like this, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe so you can stay up to date. Maybe hit that bell icon so that you get notified. I'm trying to grow my channel, this new channel. It's only a little baby at 87, so let's pump up the numbers, people. Those are rookie numbers!
Pump, 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 pump.
Pump, pump, pump it up! And whoever was watching just clicked off. Anyway, so, like I said, if you want to see more cool ideas and props, I've got more printing. I have done a Highlander inspired sword for Duncan MacLeod. I'm working on Zoe's kunai from K-Pop Demon Hunter. Don't know if you can pick that up. I have several bigger projects. I have Narumi's from Kaiju number 8, his giant gun sword thing, monstrosity. And yeah, I've got plenty more awesome projects coming. So, peace.